everybody. So this is the house that we've been working on through Serve Up InterVarsity down here in Houston, and been working with Mario and his family to rebuild his house that was swept away in the flood, and his mom's house is right there. They've been very generous and have fed all of us incredible meals for every lunchtime. But yeah, this is just kind of a taste of what's happened in Houston. In north of Houston, we're about, I don't know, 30-40 miles out north of Houston. These houses were in about 4 feet of water, and so these guys didn't have any insurance or any aid from FEMA, and so we're here with Serve Up through InterVarsity, and yeah, just helping people rebuild. But there's a lot of people like this that have no help, and so Houston's definitely, they get some challenges in the years ahead. But just want to share that with you guys. Hope you're doing great. Talk to you soon. Bye.